Super nice boxes. Oh God. Oh. What's up everybody? Welcome back to Wasatch Moto Overland. Today we're going to show you how to mount some Roam boxes to the top of our Toyota Sequoia. So let's show you what we got here. So these are 95-liter boxes. I got an awesome deal on these. A guy bought them brand new and didn't end up needing them. So he, instead of paying for shipping to return them, I got them for basically no tax, no shipping or anything. And this guy is going to be, wow, just tire shined the wheels and tires, and my hands are like really slippery. So these are going to be the mounting brackets for these boxes, and they are made by Sherpa. So I'm going to show you what all is included in these mounting brackets, but basically how they work. Aren't these awesome? Waterproof, drain hole, struts, and my favorite part, bottle opener. Alright, this is what we got here. These are super nice. They come with the little pieces that go back into your aluminum extrusion, all the mounting hardware, and these are all CNC cut out of aluminum, so they're lightweight. So they look just like that. Lift those straight up, pull that out, and these will just slip down in here just like that, and they'll mount just like that. So got our box up here, and what we have found is, and I'm just learning this for the first time, so hopefully this is helpful to you folks if you do a DIY roof rack with these brackets. So these are the brackets that come with the Sherpa kit, and as you can tell, they just hit the very top. They don't go all the way down to the centerpiece here. So what I'm actually going to do is just drill 2 holes all the way through. I'm going to figure out where I want my boxes permanently mounted, and I'm going to drill 2 holes there, which actually, you know, this might be better, because if you think about it, I'm going to leave these boxes on here, and if there's just a T-nut back here and then a bolt running into it, someone could potentially come in the middle of the night, zip those off and steal the thing. Whereas now I'll have a bolt that runs all the way through with one of those, I'm going to get those locking nuts, or the ones that have the rubber inside. So if you try to take it loose from this side, it'll just spin on the back side. And then I'm actually going to get specialty bolts to where you actually need a special head or a special tool to remove the bolts. So these are a 2.5 inch, 1/4 inch thread pitch, standard thread, and what they have is a tamper resistant flat blade. So you can put these in with a flat blade, but it requires a special tool to take these out. There we go. It's just like that. And then we've got these nylon, they're kind of like a locking nut. So if anyone tries to steal these off the top of my rig, they would have to have, one, a special tool for this, or be able to grab it, which is nearly impossible since it's all rounded. And then they would have to have an 11mm wrench underneath back here. So the odds of them being able to do that quietly, pretty slim. Started, and then I'll put my wrench back here like this and hold it on the back side. So here's one of the finished ones, and I'm going to show you this whole process. So I had these boxes set up here exactly where I wanted them, and I marked exactly where I needed to drill my holes, and then took everything off. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Our next video will be a full walk around video of these boxes and the rack and everything. So make sure and hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.